Hi there, you stay safe. Today's recipe is stuffed Indian squash or tinda, served with a delicious yogurt gravy. This dish is ideal for the summers. You'll find that it goes very well with steamed rice and paratha. Ready to transform the humble tinda? Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? The main ingredient, tinda. Tinda is also known as Indian squash or apple gourd. To prep the squash, peel them with a knife or a peeler. Slice away the top from all of them and scoop out whatever is inside. You'll get a hollow cavity. That's the last one. Reserve the trimmings. To make the filling, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, green chilies chopped according to your taste, a teaspoon of ginger paste or grated ginger, some paneer, this is about 50 grams of it, and the trimmings. This is the pulp and the seed from the tinda. We'll also use a bit of tomato puree. Heat about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and temper it with cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of it. Once they release their aroma, add in some curry leaves. I'll just stir them. Onions. Fry till they are lightly colored. Add in the pulp from the squash or tinda. Season with salt. Cook for a minute. The squash has started to release some water. Add in the ginger and the green chilies according to taste. Toss it up. Add in about a tablespoon of the tomato paste. Cover it and let it cook on low heat for 3 minutes. This is 1/4 cup of beaten curd or dahi. And add in a teaspoon of besan, gram flour, and mix it well. Keep this aside. After the 3 minutes are over, the pulp and seeds are cooked perfectly. I'll add in the spices, a tiny bit of turmeric, haldi, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera, a large pinch of garam masala powder, a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Mix it up. Give it a nice mix and add in 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. Keep the heat low and fry it for about 2 minutes. The besan is cooked. You could actually smell it. Just crumble the chena or paneer, whatever you're using, and add it in. Bit more salt to taste. Mix well. You could turn off the heat. Check the seasoning. Adjust it if required, and the filling is ready. Let it cool down to room temperature. My filling has cooled down. So I'll just stuff the tindas. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. They are all done. It's time to cook them. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and temper it with some cumin seeds. Add in some curry leaves. Lower the heat and add in half a teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, red chili powder to taste. Cook briefly. Add in a tiny bit of water. Add in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook till the oil starts separating. Season with salt. Place the squash, Tinda.
Have you subscribed to my channel already?
Cover and let it cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Checking after 3 minutes. Just turn them over. Coat them with the masala, spices. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Keep turning them from time to time. Add in water if required to maintain the steam. Cover and cook till they are done. Checking on them a final time. They look cooked. Yes, they are. So just take them out onto a plate. Not much of the gravy. Add in the yogurt, besan mix. Cook on low heat till the oil starts separating. So I can see the oil floating out in some places. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Also check the seasoning and adjust it. Add in a bit of water. I have washed the bowl that had the yogurt in it. This is about 1/3 cup of water. Once that starts simmering, add in a bit of sugar. The oil has separated totally and it's time to add in the squash back into the gravy. Simmer for a minute and turn off the heat.
A big shout out to Anushka from Pune for trying out my recipe. So next time you try out a recipe from my channel, remember to send me a photo and I'll put it out there.
Curry leaves as garnish.
Serve it hot with steamed rice or paratha and enjoy.